Port St. Lucie is building homes faster than Starbucks makes lattes, but should you buy here in 2025? Let's answer the 10 questions everyone is Googling right now. I'm Iryna Talmachova, your PSL Realtor and published author of 6 books. Call or text 561-406-0717 or email rentbuypalmbeach@gmail.com. Subscribe and like so you don't miss the truth about PSL's real estate boom. Mortgage rates are doing what now? Let's break down how today's rates impact a shiny new $450,000 home in PSL. Currently, the average 30-year fixed mortgage rate is average_30-year_rate. This rate significantly influences your monthly payments, especially for new construction homes in Port St. Lucie, where builders are offering incentives to attract buyers. Thinking of selling? Don't just rely on Zillow. We'll compare what your neighbor's used home is selling for versus the brand new model down the street. The median home price in Port St. Lucie is currently median_price, with a median price per square foot of median_PPSF. Understanding these figures is crucial for accurate valuation. Is it a buyer's market or a seller's standoff? We'll look at the months of inventory and seasonal trends to find the sweet spot for buying in PSL. With inventory_moi, months of inventory, the market is shifting. This indicates a potential advantage for buyers, especially when considering seasonal demand fluctuations. Is PSL heading for a housing glut, or are people still flocking here? We'll dissect the data on oversupply risks and migration patterns. St. Lucie County continues to be a destination for those leaving South Florida due to rising costs, indicating positive migration trends despite new construction permits like new_ listings. HOA fees. Are they a necessary evil or a highway robbery? We'll peek inside the HOA life in communities like Tradition and St. Lucie West, revealing the real costs. Recent assessment_news highlights the importance of monitoring HOA records for proper allocation of funds, especially in popular areas like Tradition and St. Lucie West. Florida insurance, where the rates are as wild as the weather. We'll compare premiums for inland versus coastal properties and see if you can afford to live by the beach. With insurance_headline impacting the market, understanding your flood zone, like flood_zone, is critical for managing costs. Yes, you can get granite counters, but can you get a decent insurance quote? Looking to make a killing in PSL real estate? We'll scout the hottest investment spots, from the Crosstown Parkway corridor to rental opportunities in Tradition. Areas near Crosstown Parkway offer significant growth potential, while Tradition continues to be a strong rental market, attracting consistent demand. First-time homebuyer? Don't get wrecked. We'll arm you with tips on snagging insurance quotes and exploiting builder incentives. Securing multiple insurance quotes is paramount, and don't overlook the various builder incentives available, which can significantly reduce your upfront costs. Want to sell your PSL home faster than a gator snaps? We'll reveal the price bands that move, staging secrets, and the buyer concessions that seal the deal. Effective staging can dramatically increase appeal, and understanding current price bands and offering strategic buyer concessions can accelerate your sale. Is climate change about to wash away your property value? We'll examine flood risks, storm history, and what it means for your investment. Understanding your specific flood_zone and the region's storm history is vital for assessing long-term property value and mitigating potential risks. That's your Port St. Lucie market reality. Top 10 questions answered. I'm Iryna Talmachova, Realtor and 6-book author. Call or text 561-406-0717 or email rentbuypalmbeach@gmail.com. Subscribe and like so you don't miss tomorrow's insider scoop, and so your cousin in New Jersey doesn't buy in PSL without checking the insurance fine print. See you next time.